This tutorial is powered by AskQuesty.com. Get help with your website on demand. And don't forget, subscribe for more tutorials.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you a couple different methods that you can use in order to post your WordPress blogs to your Facebook. And the first one is a plugin called FA Auto or F Auto Poster. You can get this from the WordPress plugin store. Pretty much you just install it and activate it, and then you would select mobile API and click auto publish, and then insert your Facebook email address and password, generate the access token, and then add the account. And then you can also change how the post message format is. You can change it from a simple text message to a blog post, attach the blog post. And then you can also enable auto-publish for certain items such as pages, posts, as well as categories. So it's a really neat plugin. Another option is to get something called IFTTT for business. This will also help you auto-post your blogs and posts to your Facebook, or you can get something called Buffer. You can sign up for Buffer. I believe you have to pay for it. Let me see really fast. Publish. Yeah, it's $15 a month for the pro version. This also auto posts your blogs to your Facebook. You would just have to sign up for an account and then download the plugin that they give you into your WordPress and enable the API. So those are 3 different ways you can auto post your blog posts to Facebook, and I hope that helps you guys. Have a great day.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, please subscribe. And if you need extra help, visit AskQuesty.com and send us your questions.